Hey, what's up? Last week we posted a video about the EUKI M10 mirror dash cam. I have told you that I also have 11-inch model of the mirror dash cam. It is called EUKI M11. You know, there are some differences between EUKI M10 and EUKI M11. First, as I already said, EUKI M11 has 11-inch display. It also comes with SONY IMX415 sensor with 4K video resolution, Full HD rear camera, Wi-Fi support and app control, GPS, parking monitor, and other features. The price of EUKI M11 is not much higher than EUKI M10. It is only $129 on Amazon. So I am most interested in the video quality because the new mirror dash cam has a new sensor. However, first, let's do unboxing and look at the design of it. By the way, are you watching Tech Brothers YouTube channel? If this is your first time here, nice to meet you. The mirror dash cam comes in this box. There's a model name, the image of dash cam, and the main features on the side faces. I have already told you about some of them. Inside the box we have a mirror dash cam, rear camera, 2 straps, GPS, car charger, rear camera extension cable, screws, adhesive tape, and user manual. You know, a mirror dash cam is called mirror because it is mounted on the mirror in your car, but also you can use it as a regular mirror when it is off. However, when you turn the dash cam on, you can see the image from the front and the rear cameras. Let's take a closer look at the mirror dash cam. First, it is mounted on the mirror with straps. By the way, EUKI company has another model of a mirror dash cam with magnetic mount. It is the next generation of mirror dash cam with 12-inch screen. The name is EUKI M12. If you are interested in it, write in the comments below. I will try to get it for unboxing and full review. Let's go back to EUKI M11. The front camera can be rotated up and down, left and right. You can also slide the camera. On the back of the dash cam, there is a speaker and reset hole. The dual mic, light sensor, and power button are located at the bottom. At the top we can see mini USB port, AV in port for the rear camera connection, TF card slot, and GPS slot. By the way, 64GB memory card is already installed in the dashcam. That's very good. On the front we can see a big 11-inch touchscreen. This is IPS panel, but I didn't find information about its resolution. Anyway, it looks very clear. The dimensions of a EUKI M11 mirror dashcam are 255 by 72 by 37 mm. The weight is 330 grams. Talking about the rear camera, it is 60 by 28 by 30 mm. The weight is only 48 grams. The camera is waterproof, so you can install it nearby the license plate. There is also an option of installation the rear camera on the rear windshield using adhesive type. So EUKI M11 has bigger display than EUKI M10, but I wouldn't say it is very noticeable. Now I want to turn on the dashcam and look at the functions. As already said, you need to move the camera lens manually up and down, left and right, and choose the best position. After that, you can tap on the left side on the screen and slide up and down to adjust the viewing angle. You can also slide up and down on the right side of the screen to adjust the screen brightness. Slide left and right on the screen to switch between the front camera, the rear camera, and both of them. The icons at the bottom are microphone, snapshot, video recording, settings menu, gallery, and log the current video. In the settings menu we can choose a video resolution from 4K, 2K, and Full HD, video segment, HDR, speaker volume, G-sensor, screen save, date and time, rear screen flip, language, Wi-Fi, frequency, parking monitoring, format memory card, screen brightness, and default settings. You know, I have tested EUKI M10 last week, and it didn't have Wi-Fi support. EUKI M11 has it, and you can use the app on smartphone to watch footage and set up the dashcam. Let's install the app and look at the functions of it. The app is called YuTuCam, and it is available on Android and iOS devices. The connection process is very simple. You just need to turn on Wi-Fi on the dashcam and then connect to EUKI Wi-Fi network on your smartphone. The password from Wi-Fi network is from 1 to 8. After that, open YuTuCam app and click on Add a new camera. In the few seconds, the dashcam will be connected to the smartphone. So in the app we can see the image from the front and rear cameras. We can tap on the shutter button to start video recording, take a snapshot and go to the gallery. In the settings, we can turn on/off a date stamp, change power frequency, video resolution, and use other functions of the dashcam, such as auto sleep, recording switch, G-sensor, language, and recording time. So the open smartphone can be useful for some people, but I don't think it is necessary. The mirror dashcam has a big 11-inch screen, so you can watch the footage or change the settings on the dashcam itself. Finally, let's watch some videos that I recorded on the front and rear cameras of a YuTuCam M11 dashcam. The front camera has a SONY IMX415 sensor with 4K resolution. The rear camera has a SONY IMX307 sensor with Full HD resolution. The viewing angle on the front camera is 170 degrees, while the rear camera is 140 degrees. By the way, the manufacturer says that SONY IMX415 sensor has a good performance in low light conditions. I can say that the dashcam really has good video quality in the dark. To be honest, I think EUKI M10 and EUKI M11 mirror dashcams have about the same video quality in the daytime and at night. However, EUKI M11 has some other advantages, such as a bigger 11-inch screen, Wi-Fi support and app control. By the way, I have told you the price of $139 on Amazon, but you can also use $30 off coupon code, so the final price for you will be only $99. It is the same as the EUKI M10. I will leave the link to Amazon in the description under this video. Thank you for watching, see you soon!